Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar and the New Zealand versus US dollar. Today's date is August 17, 2023. So I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar, looking at the daily chart here. And if we look at this, yesterday I was in a post, I targeted this trend line. This trend line cuts down and it dissected this swing area right through here. So it was a dual purpose target area on the downside, and lo and behold, the low price in trading here today came down to that level after employment data in the Australia came in weaker than expected, and we did see support buyers lean against this level right through here, and we found the price was able to bottom against that level and start to move back to the upside. Taking a look at the hourly chart, the corrective move to the upside is moving back toward its 100-hour moving average. That's this level right here. That level comes in at 0.6463. It is also near swing lows that come in around this area right through here, just a little bit below the 0.6458 level. And as you can see, we're moving up toward that level and also toward the 100-hour moving average. The price will need to get above both those levels to increase the bullish bias, and after traders looking toward the green line, which is our 200-hour moving average. That 200 moving average was broken last week, and it tried to stay above it during these three hourly bars, but momentum faded and the price started to rotate back to the downside, falling below the 100-hour moving average. We tested the 100-hour moving average in trading on Tuesday, but that failed, and now we're looking back toward that level, and then we'll be looking toward the 200-hour moving average for the Aussie versus US dollar. Let's transition to the New Zealand versus US dollar, and like the Aussie versus US dollar, we made new lows here, and lows for the year, and actually going back to November of last year. But as you can see, the price found its support target against the 61.8% retracement of the move up from this low to this high right here. That's the 2022 low, and that's the 2023 high. 61.8% came in at 0.5903, and the low price came in right around that level. Also near that level was this trend line, which connecting recent lows from 2023, and lo and behold, the price also stayed above that level. So we've seen a bounce higher in the New Zealand versus US dollar, very similar to what we saw in the Aussie versus US dollar. And also, like the Aussie versus US dollar, we are testing its 100-hour moving average. But for this currency pair, yesterday we tested the 100-hour moving average, fell to the downside. Today we're back up, testing that level at 0.5962. If we able to hold against that level, we see further move to the downside. If we're able to get above that level, we'll look toward this swing area. Let's put a horizontal line a little bit above that level as well, where we have a number of different swing highs coming through here. You can see it's pretty clear. Comes in around the 0.5987 or thereabouts level. If we get above that level, we'll look toward the 200-hour moving average. It's green line in this chart at 0.6012. So the technical levers are in place, starting with the 100-hour moving average in the New Zealand versus US dollar. That's the same moving average that's in play on the Aussie versus US dollar as well, but further work to do in that currency pair. So there you have it, a look at the Aussie versus US dollar and New Zealand versus US dollar. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.